Alrighty, let's start this whiskey chicken pesto penne by beating the living shit out of a chicken breast. You want to tenderize this and keep pounding it. Kind of be careful. You don't want to go too nuts on it. You don't want it to break or nothing. But you want to pound it till it's about a half an inch thick. You'll need 2 of them for this recipe, so on your next chicken breast, do the exact same thing. Okay, so in a pan, we got some wonderful peanut oil getting hot, and we're just about ready to add our chicken. And like a complete dumbass, I didn't have my goddamn camera on when I went to record the rest of the glorious footage that I needed. By the way, you're going to want to season this chicken breast with all-purpose seasoning. That's just my seasoning blend. It's equal parts kosher salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. So like a dumbass, I forgot to turn the fucking camera on. But I think we can salvage it. Here are the rest of the steps to create this dish. Once the chicken is cooked and reached 165 internally, take it out of the pan. And then you're going to want to deglaze it with about a shot and a half, maybe even 2 shots of whiskey. Depends on how strong you want that whiskey flavor with your pesto. Give it a couple of minutes. Let the alcohol cook up. Pick up all the glorious bits and shit that are on the bottom of the pan from the chicken. Deglazing is wonderful. And then you're going to want to add in either 8 ounces of homemade pesto or a jar of pesto. Spin that around. Let it get heated up for a little bit. And then you want to add 1 pound, 16 ounces of penne that's been cooked al dente. And then, of course, add your chicken that you should have diced up into about a half an inch pieces into the glorious, glorious mix, and we're just about ready to serve at that point. Alright, so this is what it should look like when it's all done if I wasn't a complete dumbass and forgot to turn fucking record on. And it should look something like this. Now, on to serve it. You want to grab a bowl. You can use a plate, but screw it, a bowl's better. Put your desired amount of pasta in the bowl. Make sure to clean it off because it looks just nicer that way. And you want to sprinkle with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And then on to a sprinkling of freshly ground black pepper. And there you have it. Whiskey chicken pesto penne done. And this was absolutely delicious. I had like 3 servings and went to bed way too full.